Ahoy, shipmates! Lovely afternoon here in the port of Southampton. Just to our right here, in the brightly coloured hull, is the Norwegian Encore cruise ship. But we're here to see the Oslo, or as I like to say, Oslo. As you can see, there are not that many, well, I say not that many, there are quite a lot of containers on the Oslo, but she's not as full as she could be. And there are quite a lot of spaces. We'll start with a shot. I must be able to practice. My first shot of the day is not turning out very well. There's bad framing. I'm not very happy with that one, but that's what you do, photographer. You keep taking shots till you find a good one, and you learn and you learn. I do like the hull on the Oslo. Very, very clean, very shiny. The Oslo is the second largest container ship in the world. It has a length of almost 400 metres, a beam of 61 metres, and a draft of 16.5. Total capacities for containers is 23,800 TEUs. I think I've got a better one there. Those clouds are quite attractive, those clouds. Got the tug at the front. I like the tug sometimes. It really gives you a scale. That was a better picture. Okay, right, I haven't lost the knack just yet. TEUs are the industry standard way of measuring a ship, and they are 20-foot equivalent units. So most of those containers you see are 40-foot containers, but they measure them in 20-foot units. You can see the tug has just released the line and is now moving away. And the Oslo is under her own power. And her own power is a MAN diesel turbo 11G 95ME. I can imagine that's one very large engine. The Oslo has been in port for quite a few days. If you think about the fact there's close to 24,000 containers on there, and there is only 4 or 5 cranes unloading, and they can unload at a maximum of 1 container a minute when they're going absolutely flat out, it can take quite a long time to empty the ship. I think the reason she's looking quite empty on the way out is there is supposedly a worldwide shortage of containers. Something to do with pandemic and China and Brexit and lots of things. Supposedly the cost of a container from China was about $2,500, and now it's somewhere in the region of $10,000. That adds a lot more if you're importing goods to the UK, especially if they're low value goods. Alright, let's pop round here for another shot, shall we? That's not so bad. That's quite pleasing. I quite like the shadow coming off the bow. Yeah, again, there's not bad little clouds. I like those. Yep. Clearly see the name on the side of the ship. Just right for advertising purposes. I've got a bit of fog here, and it's the smoke from the funnels is coming right at me. I think here you'll also get a view of how empty the decks are with containers. Those containers also go right the way down into the hull, and they have deck plates, and then the containers are on top. But you can see the gaps. She's not fully loaded. She's on her way to Le Havre in France. Hopefully delivering high-value British goods to the European Union. Range Rovers and... Well, actually, no, it wouldn't be cars, would it? Yeah, hang on. I mean, I think about it. What would we export in containers from the UK? Barber coats, maybe? Some Clark's shoes. Oh, they're probably made in China. I think the Barber jackets are made in China as well. Well, that's a mystery to me. What we do export? Cheddar cheese, perhaps? Oh, I think that's an improvement again. Oh, I'm quite enjoying that one. I'm enjoying the proportions of the tugs. A little bit of patch of sun there over the New Forest, making the grass green. A bit of smoke coming out the top. Yeah, I'm happy with that one. Worth persevering with. I get a good view here of the stern, and you can see exactly how light she is by how high out of the water. You can clearly see the undercoat, or the anti-foul. And you've got a good view of the rudder there as well. Plenty of input into that rudder to make it go into the right direction. The forecast for the next couple of weeks does not look good, shipmates. Snow, rain, wind. This might be difficult to get another flight in. Well, I'll speed this up. Until next time, shipmates.